Alright, what up YouTube? We're gonna have to fix this overflow tank. It's got some cracks over here, down here on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is mix up some epoxy and just coat this whole tank. So let's get started. And just paint it on. Make sure to get it in all the cracks. Try to work quick too, because this stuff gets hot. This stuff will start heating up. Probably melt right through this plastic, to tell you the truth. But we'll just work quick, get it on there, spread it on there good. It's gonna make this super strong. It had all these little cracks. We're gonna seal all those little cracks. Looking good. This epoxy will be fine with the coolant and the water on it. And it'll just make it strong, where you're not gonna have to worry about this cracking again. And just make sure you get in all these little cracks. Any kind of epoxy, JB Weld, any kind of epoxy you find at like an auto parts store you can get. We'll do this. We're gonna paint this afterwards though. We're gonna make it look nice. This part was really bad. Maybe it slid on something. I don't know. Alright, we'll let that dry. Come back and paint it. So all the epoxy's dry. Looking good. Now we're going to tape up over this. Then we're just going to paint the whole thing black. Got it taped up. We'll cut off the excess. Just come across the top here. There you go. Now we're just going to lay some paint on it. We'll let it dry and come back. Here we go after a couple coats of paint. Okay, it's been drying for 24 hours. Let's pull this tape off. This is where we'll be able to see how much coolant we have inside still. That'll be perfect. Install that back in there. One step closer.